Your shady garden wall looks empty, quiet, almost forgotten. But what if I told you some climbing plants actually prefer the shadows, and a few of them blossom so beautifully, they'll make your sunny plant jealous? Stay till the end because one of these vines might be the missing piece your garden has been waiting for. Roses might seem like sun lovers, but certain varieties bloom happily in partial shade. Give them just a few hours of sunlight and they'll still reward you with elegant flowers. Perfect for softening dull corners with romantic color. Sweet autumn clematis fills shaded spaces with clouds of small white flowers. Its fragrance drifts through the air, especially in late summer. A quiet corner suddenly feels alive. Sausage vine grows fast and covers fences with thick green foliage. In spring, it surprises you with pale pink, lightly scented blooms. It thrives even when the sun barely visits. Climbing hydrangea slowly hugs walls and trees, creating a natural green curtain. Late spring brings clusters of soft white flowers, perfect for deep shade where other climbers fail. Wisteria in shade produces rich foliage, but give it a little sun and it bursts into hanging flower chains. The purple blossoms feel almost magical, a statement plant for dramatic garden entrances. Dutch honeysuckle releases sweet fragrance at evening approaches. Its tubular flowers attract pollinators even in partial shade. A classic vine that never goes out of style. Confederate jasmine stays glossy and green all year. Its white flowers smell heavenly in warm weather, ideal for shaded patios and balcony railings. Bleeding heart vine displays delicate red and white hanging blooms. It grows gently, never overpowering nearby plants. A graceful climber for dappled shade. Sweet pea produces colorful, lightly scented flowers. It enjoys cooler, partial shaded areas, perfect for seasonal bursts of charm. Butterfly vine spreads quickly across trellises. Bright yellow flowers appear through warm months. A lively choice for semi-shaded gardens. American potato bean offers clusters of deep reddish flowers. It grows vigorously, so give it space. A bold vine that loves mixed light conditions. Passion flower looks unreal, like it belongs in a fantasy garden. Its intricate blooms appear even in partial shade. Fast growth makes it perfect for privacy screens. Chocolate vine produces dangling purple flowers in spring. Its leaves stay glossy and lush in shade, and yes, its scent has a hint of sweetness. Butterfly pea shows off rich blue flowers. It thrives in warm shaded corners, a delicate climber with eye-catching color. Evergreen clematis grows fast and covers structures quickly. Masses of white flowers appear with a soft fragrance, instant transformation for dull walls. Blue trumpet vine blooms with large trumpet-shaped flowers. Even in shade, it grows strong and lush. A tropical look for warm climate gardens. Japanese hydrangea vine clings neatly to walls. Its lace-like white blooms smell like honey. Elegant and refined for quiet garden corners. Nepalese paper plant fills shade with powerful fragrance. Its clustered flowers feel luxurious and rare, a hidden gem for collectors. Crimson glory vine shines brightest in autumn. Its leaves turn fiery red, orange, and purple, a dramatic vine for seasonal color. Katsura vine keeps its leaves even in mild winters. Small flowers appear, followed by bright berries, great for year-round visual interest. Emerald gaiety euonymus shows green leaves edged in white. It grows as a vine or a small shrub, a reliable climber for light shade. Variegated kiwi vine displays pink, white, and green leaves. Small flowers appear in spring. Even without blooms, it steals attention. Variegated Mongolia vine carries decorative foliage and spring flowers. Later, red berries add extra charm, a rare climber for shaded walls. English ivy thrives where almost nothing else will. It covers walls in deep green texture, classic, timeless, and effortlessly lush. Pothos climbs easily with heart-shaped leaves. It loves shade and grows quickly outdoors, perfect for tropical-looking vertical gardens. Virginia creeper races across fences in no time. Its leaves explode into red tones in fall, a powerful vine for dramatic coverage. Shady spaces don't have to stay dull and forgotten. With the right climbing plants, even the darkest corner can bloom with life. If this video helped you find your next garden star, hit like, subscribe, and stay rooted with us for more plant magic.